If you see him before, me tell him good afternoon. You think you go see him? Mr. Graham. Alright, alright. If you see him before, me tell him evening. Oh boy.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Blessings everyone. Yeah man, so we're now on the Wilmington main road, or the Pilot main road. Yeah, we just came through the Coryell community, as you guys noticed. So we're on our way to a place called Hermitage. That's close by to Spring Garden. Yeah man, we've been hearing about this place for over a year now, from where I do the Trinity site. Shout out to Carlton, Carlton of Spring Garden, who gave us that information, alright? So I don't have no information, like literally I have no information about this site. It's a great house. The persons in the community call it the big house. Now there's a tower there and what them call it, a sugar mill. Alright. We have heard all of that. We heard from several different persons, but especially from Carlton we got in-depth information. Now that's where we're on our way to go. How long walking up, peeps? This is a challenge on a video in one. We're not sure if we're gonna make it. Cause you know me turn back. No, alright, because it's like you don't know me turn back. Alright, some no class said no one do that. But it's actually a challenge. Because it's far. Alright? Because we just walk across Coryell now, we're gonna walk across Wilmington community. Then we'll go across our next community for reach where we go. So yeah man, don't follow me. Alright? Yeah man. We'll give up.
No, give up. Never give up.
Yeah, peeps, follow me. Good farmland over there.
Yeah man. And the water, through the water there, so.
Mm-hmm. Yeah guys, so the reason why we haven't got any information about that place is that there are lots and lots of plantations around that side. Let me see on the map. However, because it is now called Hermitage, which that name is not on the map, so I'm not sure which one of the plantation them name Hermitage in this day and age. So therefore, I have to reach first, and then I overlay the modern map with the part me there, with which one of the plantation them, so I can know exactly where me at and which one of the plantation them it is. Then I can tell you guys the owner and the history of the plantation. Alright? So this one is gonna be a little bit different, a little bit more adventurous, and a little bit more challenging if me not turn back.
No.
Yeah, guys, so JPS has been working in this area quite rampant because, you know, all of them light posts here, well, most of them as far as me see, has just been put in. You notice that brace are just going in the light post over here. It's just going also. And there are several of them from down the road coming up that were just planted. So it look like them out to do some work. Because this road takes you back into Markby as a main road. That's what I'm finding out. The Sunnyhill. This would be like the Sunnyhill main road then. Where Sunnyhill taxi them drive. No, and you saw them drive?
Not all of them.
Not all of them?
No,
okay,
no,
okay.
No. But if you drive like if you load a Sunnyhill,
yeah.
It doesn't make sense to drive through so.
Oh.
Yeah, more easier.
More easier, okay.
On the main, you know, the main under construction, so you know, it's a whole heap.
Whole heap.
Go and real traffic, so. Yeah, this would be a more easier road for anything will come from Sunnyhill. But yeah. Even Portland.
Alright.
Slide through here, so 1, 2 of them aren't there. So
okay.
Use as a good road too, so.
True.
So it go man.
Alright.
What are we thinking, see?
Yeah man. Your foot them still work?
Well, they're not so tough, you know, but I'll pump them up when we reach on a pilot square, you know.
Alright.
Yeah man, I'll pump them up.
Yeah man.
Take a place, no pump them.
Blessings. Yeah guys, we're up on our way now. Yeah.
Right in our square. It's a pilot square, you know.
Right, so we just come through the Wilmington community and we're on our way to go cross to end up in Spring Garden, to end up at the Hermitage Great House, the big house as them call it. Alright, so yeah man, we're up on our way, alright? So follow it.
Community a pilot. A develop, you know?
Yeah man, the community a develop for true man. Whole heap of development.
Yeah man, whole heap of development.
True.
Comparing to what it was
back then.
Couple
years ago.
Couple years ago. Pilot develop enough for the people them go off and come back and structure them thing. Because they not run up the community now, that's one of the next thing too, you know.
True, the community are now
some community where the people them go off foreign and not come back. And rare, but they say that community here, people then go off foreign and can develop them place, make up them nice house and live comfortable. Because guess what? Before, them did know it was a crime-free community. So they now go left the crime-free community and go somewhere else so they don't know. True. So they don't rather make up an investment back in them community. You see it?
True.
So, that's how it go. See.
Is where I walk up the road. Not sure this is the name of this community. If it is Magivna, Magiban, or if we even in another community, but we see a piece of wall here. As you notice, that's a piece of old wall. This more right there. So I wonder what down in the yard. But I don't really see nothing still. You know. But we already heard that this whole place is a property still, you know. So anything is possible as to what we have heard. So we just keep our eyes them open, you know. Yeah man, that we are. Kenneth? Yeah, peeps, so
General!
we'll just see a piece of wall now, yard right here. As I tell you, this place around here is like, this is an old town, and like it get old, and then it get old again. You know, because this right here is relics of pre-colonial structures. Yeah man, but it break down. And because of this, you can see that more is up there also. But there is no one here. So we can't go in on them yard like that. Alright, so if you're watching this video and you see this video, contact me at the number on screen and let us get in touch, alright? Blessings. On the Guinea tree this year, climb tree, it have leather.
Yeah.
If you never have no leather, you don't climb it.
So, I want to tell you which part you get and then leather. Oh, this post.
Can't reach it.
A sweet is gonna be, man.
Sweet.
What? Oh, no, I will lead it.
Good around there, though. Where's that?
I wonder what I will lead it to.
Good around from the property of the building there.
Where I go?
No. The next building, them on after the on the right. A couple of them, you know.
Which one now?
Yeah, peeps, so we're there in the community of Hermitage. Yeah, man. Large community, but we soon reach to. You know, so we're going down to the big house, as they call it. Yeah, man, but here we're going, peeps, like we are finding a lot of remnants of buildings. But I don't know what they are, like what building they were or anything like that, but I jot them down, so at least we can know where we're gonna come back whenever time return around here. But this was really a slavery place, just like the Nuts River plantation I walked through the other day. Yeah, man, that's what I kind of get realized. You know what that kind of is, something? You know, so look on. We have to be like old stone walls, pieces of stone walls along the roadside. You know. Alright guys, so nothing of this. So the power way, peeps. If you're enjoying this video, remember you can subscribe to the channel. If you already done so, give it a thumbs up. Alright. Yeah man, so I'm gonna follow you. Now looking at peeps, round us are rich with slavery remnants. So we just have to search a low, we know what we have already. We're looking if we can find nothing else. You know? Yeah guys, I saw in the bush them I wanna stay, you know. Kenneth, you sure you not miss this, yo? What you talk about, man? Oh. A stone. No man, over here so look one way, Kenneth. Guys, and you see over here so look like you're just missing the buildings. Feel creepy though. Only thing is no other, so. Guess what? Yeah, man, lovely farms, guys. Big up to the farmer over to the farming over there, so.
A nice plant farmer.
Yeah, man. It really takes a lot to farm these lands. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, we're up on the Hermitage main road. That scenery look like St. Elizabeth. Anybody who come from St. Elizabeth can attest to that. No, honestly look like in a St. Elizabeth, no. Yeah, man, we're up on way, go down the road here. Yeah, man. Kenneth, you're tired yet?
Nothing never get weary, man. But you know, man. Never get weary.
Alright. Guys, from now on, don't take your eyes off of the screen because today is going to be a really great day. This is going to be a great find. Well, I don't suspect still. I'm not promising nothing. Just don't take your eye off of the screen, alright? Yeah, man. I'm not about to turn back. The people in North farm around here, don't?
No, man, I said, look how much land they run at this Hermitage place here. Because, water no problem, you know?
Water no problem.
Water no problem at Hermitage, brother, and the land. And they're near a roadside. So that means...
Because we have good road around here?
Yeah, good road around here. So if the government, you know, say farming, if you mean serious in farming, you don't stop them from take out the produce from out of them bush.
No problem.
Look on the road. This road better than main road, you know.
Better than the main road.
They said no farming.
The road, the peeps.
You can feed yourself, but the government no serious in the thing, man.
You know?
Serious in the thing, brother.
We realize the Hermitage too.
Watch it. A water this now.
Water.
A water that,
Well,
you know.
water that around the earth.
And you can't do farming without water. And them places you have too much water. Run under the earth.
It's a whole heap of water. Look at this, guys. Whole lot of water down there. No, don't go over there. I'm not too sure about this.
No. Yeah.
There is it, guys. Crab. You see the crab or whatever, guys? It's water here again. And this was built long time. And it look like one next butter there, like this. One over this, so. And this will come out here, so.
Yes, I'm not sure it's only to have a water problem.
You have a pump in the sea, no problem, you know?
You have no problem, brother.
No problem.
Water. Just the market you want for
whatever you have to do.
whatsoever you have plant. Because it makes sense to plant the thing and you don't have no market, you know.
True. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so we're on way. So we're in the Hermitage community. As to what we heard, it's about a chain. Away, whatever a chain is, I see me can put the difference on screen for y'all across the pond. Yeah, man. We're up on way. Alright, so we're close by. Look out for this type walk. W-A-L-K. If you don't want to walk. Alright, help me walk. So as to the description of this place, I'm excited I'm going to reach it now because I'm saying name big house. So I'm going to think I have to look or even walk my eye too wide to see it. But anyway, I'm going to allow you guys to search with me. If you don't want to search with me and you can't bother the suspense, let me know in the comment section or the premiere chat section, alright? Yeah, man. So guys, I think we have covered our longest journey since the start of the year and we still not reach it. But to the night still, because the sun not really shine all that. So, yeah, man, I'm not really count my chicken them before I build the coop, because maybe the sun will come out just as I say it now shine, but so far it now shine to that. Alright, guys, so we're on our way. Yeah, man, I got a big house. We'll search around on the little track here because we know we're not in the vicinity. But it's like, we don't see the house yet. And it's a really large house, as to the descriptions you'll get. So, it should be easy to find. However, yeah, we kind of do a little searching. Yeah, man. So, the be out there, now follow, help us search. Alright? Yeah guys, so go back out on the front, we'll make a phone call and we'll get back the information. We end up same place in the same bush because him say over here but we not see it, you know. Huh? Tomek. Tomek. Now come there. Yeah guys, so we're deep down in the bush and we're not seeing nothing, and we'll get specific instructions that it's around here. I'm not seeing to find it. Seem to find it, please. So, when I stop up this, I'm gonna search for a little further. Let's see what we can find. Deep in the bush, listen up, peeps. Get it! Guys, this is deep in the bush. I think I reach close. Yeah, I really think I reach close. Feel like around here. Yeah. With all of these stones, the phone are dead, guys, up now on the charger. I know why me a stray going in the bush, so you know. Still I go up some more, guys. Things I drop off of the tree. Things around here, we're not going further. Something around here, move. Something move down in the bush from right, guys. Get it? Feel like around here, you know? Yeah. Hey guys, so we just get some more information. So the place we are looking for, they're up on the front out here, so they're up on the hill, not round where we go. Alright, so yeah man, we're safe to find it now. Alright, follow me. Yeah guys, we find the big house. Alright, so I have a little bit of memory. I'm going to show you that right now guys. Not really what I was expecting, however we found it, so we have to document it. Alright, let me show you all this. So these are the remains of the house. It's actually a Victorian style house, as we notice. A British house, not really old, you know, could be from the 1800s. Alright, so this is not the big house I was actually searching for. The big house I'm searching for is the one with the windmill and the beacon tower. Anyone knows of that one, please let me know where it is located. That's the one I'm actually searching for, not this one. Alright, so yeah, these are the columns guys. Want to show that? Shell with the dance. Yeah, please. These are round by the back. Here's another side of the house. Back step. There guys, there's another one of the walls. As you know, it's built with stone, you know guys, but it's just a Victorian style where they mix the smaller stone them and then they render the outside, make it look like concrete. As you know, we've found a couple of these buildings before. Alright, so that's another one of the walls right there. Okay guys, this is some more remnants, and then we've got right here. So now we really have to come back, you know, Wilmington Hermitage, because there are lots of sites up here, you know. Yeah, so it seems that was another step also. Home with gifts, you know, man. What them they have?
Well, I have a shell. I have a hoe.
You have a hoe? Can't say that now on YouTube, yo.
Hoe?
Oh, that's something there. Okay. Peeps, and don't follow me now. Yeah. Yeah, guys, as you notice, that wasn't really what we expected to find. So I'm gonna make it up to y'all. I'm gonna show you something else. I'm showing the fig tree and one natural water spring. Alright, me just think it nice. Alright, and watch this. This is where we are, guys. We're still in the Hermitage community. And this is the fig tree. You know, them said the fig tree was cursed, you know. You know. But them boulders are just fascinating. They're really huge. Oh, corona, so once you're between them stone stay. Yeah man, shout out to the youth who just tell about the site here, the fig tree and the boulders and the water, yeah? So I wanna stay guys. That's how around here stay. Phone I run out of memory guys, so you know. The man gonna try clear up. Let me show you all this. Something like this over the next side. Over Just Love. Over Just Love.
Water?
Down behind the house. Yeah guys. This is another catchment spring. Just like Montpelier. But all me I look for, you know, guys, and you know me I look for a piece of brick. Alright, none of there, so. Hey guys, so we're up in our community called Spring Garden, and now we're walking across Staunton to go back across over Needham Pen. Alright, yeah man. Yeah guys, sorry for cut the video. Yeah, I know when I enjoy the video and thing, but yeah, we're going my way back up on these gate posts. Anyway, we're not able to go over there. So if anybody seen this video, this is around in Staunton. If anybody see this video, I know how we can get entrance because we heard that the great house is around here. I know we can get entrance. Really hope you enjoy this video, guys. Alright, although I never really what we expect to find. Look out for the abandoned community video coming next. I never show you all the abandoned buildings because that video is going to be coming shortly. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Until we meet again here in Elite Jamaica, just want to say